Hello YouTube, welcome back to this week's video. This is 2E0IQJ. So here we have the TidRadio TD-Q2L wireless microphone. And TidRadio reached out to me and said, would I like to do this for the channel? And I said, yes please. Gave my works address. A few years later, it turned up to me. Thanks to TidRadio for sending this over. Front of the box, you've got the picture of the microphone. You've got the Bluetooth adapter. Front here, it says, together we work the world. Adapter, I program walkie-talkies too, which is cool. So you can use this adapter here to program radios up by the OD Master app. You've got plug and play high compatibility. Inside the box, we have the instruction manual, which is very, very good because it doesn't just include loads of text. You've got loads of pictures and what each thing does, how to pair it up with the radio, and how to pair it up with the OD Master app, and so on. We've got the microphone itself. Oh, this is tiny. Here we go. You've got the PTT switch there, channel up and down there, the power on there, and your volume settings there. It's rechargeable via USB-C, and mine came with the belt clip already installed. Now, up and down change the channels, won't change channels on the radio. What that will do at the moment is change the tracks on your mobile phone, because you can pair this up with your phone, use this as a Bluetooth speaker for your mobile phone. We have the adapter here. You've got your power button there. You've got your plus and minus there. You've also got your standard K plug there. So any radio with a standard K plug, you should be good to go. Also included in the box, we've got ourselves a little carry strap there. And we've also got ourselves a USB-C charging cable there, because everything on here is rechargeable via USB-C. Now currently, if you wish to use it with just the microphone itself with a direct connection, then you need to use it with either the TidRadio TD-H3plus or the TidRadio TD-H9. They work out of the box without the adapter. If you wish to use it with a radio that's got a K plug, standard K plug, or an earlier TidRadio, such as this one here, TidRadio TD-H3, then you need to use the wireless adapter. I'll show you how to pair it up with the radio. We're going to use, this example, we're going to use a TidRadio TD-H9. We'll turn the radio on.
Welcome.
And we're on a frequency of 145.425. We're going to press the menu button.
Menu.
And we're going to go down to Bluetooth. Press the menu button again. Make sure our Bluetooth's on. Number 1, BT on off. And mine's going to go to on. This point here, we need to turn the microphone on. Going to press and hold the power button.
On.
And you'll see there the LED's flashing green and red. If we go back out and we go down to BT pairing and click on pairable, it's now going to search for the microphone, and when it finds a microphone, it will appear in the list at the top here. And there we go, it's found the microphone. It's going to press the menu button.
Bluetooth connected.
And there we go, the Bluetooth microphone is now connected and we're good to go. If you wish to use it on another radio, just turn this off. And you want to use it with this wireless adapter. If we press and hold the power button,
Bluetooth disconnected.
You'll see the green LED comes on. And what we're going to do now, just press and hold the plus button.
Bluetooth connected.
And there we go, that's now connected to that microphone there, and we're good to go. It might take a few moments to pair up, and it will just flash until it finds it, but that you saw there, that literally took seconds, and it's now paired up. You can use it on a radio with a standard K plug, you're good to go. So let's do an on-air test with a microphone. We'll test it with just a microphone to a radio, and we'll test it with the adapter going to a radio.
This is 2E0IQJ, testing the TidRadio wireless microphone. Testing it with the TD-H9, we're going back to the TD-H3. 2E0IQJ, audio test with no adapter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 2E0IQJ, testing the Bluetooth wireless microphone with the wireless adapter in a TidRadio TD-H3, going back to the TD-H9. 2E0IQJ, audio check 1, 2, 3, 4 on 145 525. 2E0IQJ, check 1, 2, 3, 4.
So there we have it, the TidRadio TD-Q2L wireless microphone. If you wish to change the channel on the microphone, then the TD-H3plus and TD-H9 have to be in the latest firmware. Until they're on the latest firmware, like I said earlier on in the video, what will happen is it will change the tracks on your mobile phone. Once the adapter's turned on, if you just tap the power button and it changes it into TX and RX mode. And in RX mode, what it allows you to do is use it with the OD Master app so you can program radios. I'd like to say thank you once again for TidRadio for sending the microphone over to review on the channel. It's been much appreciated. I'd like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This is 2E0IQJ. I'll see you in another video. 73s for now.